بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, today we are in the second session of grammatical explanation of lesson number 8. Those who haven't seen the first session of grammatical explanation of this lesson, I request them to see the previous video. In that video we have covered the concept of badalun, which is called as substitute in English. Now today we are going to see some other concepts like which is related to alif, okay, and two adverbs of place, zuruful makan, and lastly one verb which is jalasa, means he sat. Now let us go into the details. These are three sentences. In normal condition, ism ends with dhamma or tanween bib dhamma, but whenever any preposition or harful jar comes in front of it, it changes its sign to majroor state. Or one another reason for changing its state to majroor or jar form is the presence of mudaf ilayhi, mudaf in front of mudaf ilayhi. Mudaf ilayhi becomes majroor if mudaf is present in front of it. Al-hajaru thaqilun, the stone is heavy. Muhammadun fil madrasati, Muhammad is in the school. Haza miftaqus sayyarati, this is the key of the car, or this is the car's key. Now here this noun is in its original form, hence it is ending with tanween bil dhamma, but here preposition or harful jar is present in front of this noun, hence it has become majroor, ending with kasra. Same here, this noun is ending with kasra because miftahu is mudaf for this mudaf ilayhi. So this happens in normal conditions, but there are exceptional cases. There are some nouns which end with alif, long alif. For example, the name of one country, America. This is how it is written in Arabic. Now this name or this word, whenever it comes as in marfu state or majroor state or mansoob state, it won't change its ending. It will remain the same. Apparently there will be no sign of change of case ending, but it will have a taqdeeri i'rab. See, hazihi America, this is America. Now here it is mubtada khabar. As khabar is mufrad, it is one word, hence it is marfu'. Next, ana min America. Here ana is mubtada and min America is jar majroor shibu jumla khabar, and this word here, it is, this noun is in majroor state, but there is no sign of majroor here. See, means it is not changing its form. Apparently there is no change, but it has a taqdeeri i'rab. Same, huwa ra'isu America. he is the president of America. हुआ मुब्तदा रईसु खबर व मुज़ाफ and America मुज़ाफ इलैही. Now मुज़ाफ इलैही in normal conditions take kasra and becomes majroor. Here America is majroor but its form hasn't changed. It is same in marfu state and majroor state. But it takes a taqdeer i'rab. Next, adverbs of place. Zuruful makan. This is plural, hence it is zuruf. Singular form is zarf. Zarful makan means adverb of place. In this lesson, we are going to come across two zuruful makan, khalfa and amama. Amama means in front of or opposite, and khalfa means behind. Okay, so let's use those two adverbs in a sentence, in different sentences. I mean, al madrasatu khalfal masjidi. The school is behind the masjid. Now whichever noun comes after adverb, it will be in majroor state. As we have seen that the reason of noun becoming majroor is it is coming after adverb. Khalfal masjid. Here masjid is in majroor state. Al mudarrisu amama tullabi. The teacher is in front of the students. In normal state, at-tullabu, it is at-tullabu, means the students. But as this word is coming after zarful makan or zarf, then it will be in majroor state. Lastly, we will come across a new verb in this lesson, and that is jalasa. It means he sat. This is the ghaib form for masculine singular. Now let's use this verb in sentences. Aina jalasa Hamidun. Where did Hamid sit? Jalasa amamal mudarrisi. He sat in front of the teacher. Now this sentence is a verbal sentence. Jumlatul fi'liyatu. Because it is starting with a fail. Means it is starting with a verb. So that was the end of the grammatical concepts of lesson number 8. Those who haven't understood these concepts, I request them to comment in the comment section and get their doubts cleared. Jazakumullah.